What's going on, guys and gals? Welcome back. I made this video for the purpose of just watching ads. Every 10 seconds there's going to be an ad break. The purpose of this video is so that way my viewers could support this channel. I'm not asking you guys to buy anything or sign up for anything like that. I'm just asking you to watch this once a day. Hopefully that's not asking too much, and if it is, watch it anyways. Hopefully the goal of this video is to surpass the #1 most viewed video, which currently right now 7.05 billion. I hope to overtake that one day. Hopefully you guys can make that happen for this channel. Thanks again. Let's start watching. Roll clip! Flipping furnitures. Go to Craigslist, find anything that's free, stools, chairs, anything you can find that you can fix up and you can sell. Sell things you have lying around. Sell it on eBay, Amazon, Craigslist. Anything that you're not using, anything that you're not going to miss. Sell things on Shopify or on Etsy. Small things like stickers, clothing. You can start making your own as well too. Start a mobile auto detailing business. These, if you have any kind of creativity, they can make some serious money. Write an ebook. It could be free starts. Just use your creativity. Once you write the book one time, it pays you over and over. Start a landscaping side hustle. It could be very little from the beginning, but it could seriously add up to a good side business. Become a bookkeeper. Know anyone who needs help keeping records of stuff? Go ahead and just ask them. Charge them for a fee. T-shirt printing. Got some creativity in you? Design some t-shirts, put them up for sale. Start a catering business. Think your cooking is up to par? Work out the numbers, get your fees and everything right. Start it. Start a carpet cleaning business. It doesn't seem small, but if you start and you build up to the businesses, it could make serious money. Meal prepping service. Some rich people don't have time. Some people prefer just to have their meals prepped for them. So you can pack it and then just sell it. Window cleaning service. Businesses will pay big money to make sure that their windows are squeaky clean. Interior decorating or designer. It starts free, shows your creativity. If the user likes it, they'll recommend you to their friends. Computer repair service. Got a little tech savvy in you? Go ahead and repair some computers. They can make some pretty good money. Mobile laundry service. Go pick up people's clothing, wash it, and go return it to them. Junk hauling services. Have people pay you to haul their trash out for them. Event coordinator. You're the person that people go and look to make sure everything in the event goes accordingly and everything that they need. Moving services. You guys pack, move stuff, do all the heavy lifting, make sure you don't break anything. Freelance photographer. Got a camera you can work with? Learn the new skills on YouTube. Improve your skills. You can start doing wedding venues and all that. Can you make your own wine, your own beer, your own alcohol? You can have it private label and start selling it. That'll be a great business. Search online for things that you can private label. Make sure that it's good quality and then you can sell it on eBay, Amazon, or Craigslist. Dropship products. Find a good hot selling product. Learn to do drop shipping. It could be a very lucrative business. Make and sell furniture. Exactly as it says. If you're good with making furniture, why not test it out and see if anyone wants to buy it? It might be a great business. Can you make candles? Well, if you can't, look up YouTube. Look it up. It's very easy to do. Something you can start right now and very cheap. Become a wedding planner. They say house and cars are the two most expensive purchases a person can make, but they forgot a wedding. Becoming a wedding planner could make a lot of money. Staging houses for sale. When people have homes they need to sell, but they don't have the adequate furnitures and everything to make it look nice, that's where you come in. Doing vending machines. If you have the money to start up, vending machines could be very lucrative as well too. Just pretty much set it and forget it and just keep restocking it. Start a party rental services, renting up anything from tables to chairs to jumpers. Think your cooking is amazing and think that people would start to buy it, but don't know if you want to start with a restaurant. Start a food truck. Do your proof of concept with a food truck first. Start a baking or a cooking business. Start online. If you don't have anything, just have them come do a local pickup or anything. You can start selling from your house. Make sure that it's legal. Teach English, music, or any skill that you have that you think someone's willing to pay for. Now with Skype, everything's online, and there's a lot of free service as well too. Start a consulting service. I'm pretty sure there's people looking for help there, looking for a little guidance out there. You can start charging for your knowledge. Food delivery. Deliver items or food with Postmates, DoorDash, or Amazon. Become a driver and drive for sites like Uber or Lyft. Rent out your car. They say you only use a fraction, like an hour of your car a day. So use it and rent it out. I believe the site's called Tudor. Got a little cash on you. You want to start flipping cars. Either buy used cars and start flipping for more, or buy messed up cars, fix it up, and sell it. Get paid to go grocery shopping with Instacart. I believe Amazon also have a program that's called Amazon Fresh. Become a freelancer. Anything, any services or skills, knowledge that you might have, you can sell it on Fiverr.com. Become a proofreader. You can sell those services online or anything like that too. You can post it up. Become a proofreader with Fiverr.com. Become a freelance writer. Write an article or anything, you can sell it. Got some creative or artistic skills? Sell them on online. Fiverr.com. Once again. Got the knowledge and the time? Build your own website. Then you bring in the customers. You can sell, flip for a quick profit. Start a blog. Write about something that's popular. Link some advertisements into it, or any kind of sales that you can make commission from. Create a course you can sell. Anything from how to lose your belly fat or how to get monetized in YouTube in 10 days, whatever it is that you can think you would sell. Sell your lessons online. Anything that you can teach or anything like that, write it up and sell it. One of my best things that I think you start, and everyone should, is start a YouTube channel. It might be a struggle in the beginning, but I think the overall, it's going to pay off. Take online surveys. Get paid for your opinion. It might not be much, but it's a few dollars here, and it's free to start. Affiliate marketing. Free to start, but done right could make you a wealthy person. Run ads for small businesses. Charge them a fee and then start putting them on free social media like Facebook or YouTube. Become a virtual assistant on all the social media platforms, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, whatever that the owner needs help with. Be a transcriber. Lots of people need to have their content transcribed. That could be a start. It's free. Web design services. You can do anything. Go to offer your services if you're very good at making websites. Graphic design services. You can go and do any kind of graphics. They can do. It could make some good money. Content writing. If you have any ideas or any kind of skit or anything that you think you can sell to YouTubers or any Facebook or anything like that, just give it a go. Services for cover letters or resumes. Help people fix up or make their resumes and cover letters look a lot better. Learn to make an app. And while it's free in the beginning, you can charge a lot of money towards the end. It could make you a lot of money. Know things about your cities that you think is worth sharing. Make a city, a local city guide, and you can sell those. Sell your knowledge. Go to a membership site. So just start talking about your knowledge. Anything that you think is worth sharing that someone's going to pay for. Been to countries other people haven't gone to. Done things other people haven't. Let's start making guides and trips and stuff. Then just start selling those guides. It's gonna be a little tough, but I'm not saying it's impossible. You could always sell old books online. Good luck with that. You got some time, got some creativity, make your own ebook, sell it on Amazon or Kindle. Get paid to do Instagram posts where you get sponsored. Go and put yourself out there. You get a podcast with lots of viewers, start doing some sponsorships. Make a little money. Open a Patreon account. It's a site where your viewers can start donating you to start helping out. Give them some content that they can't see outside. You got some good photography skills or some B-roll that you can do. Start selling them on sites. Are you a workout fanatic? Make some workout plans and then just sell the workout plans. Make cooking classes. You can do it online or you can have it so it's a physical gathering of some sort, like a little fun activity where people can pay to go gather to do it. Rent out your pool, the pool that you barely use anyways. Just look it up for some sites and then you can host it. Whenever you're traveling or you have extra rooms or anything or something like that, you can always Airbnb it. Airbnb also leads out to the next one that you can also rent out your room or rent out your home. Start advertising on your vehicle. Some sites does a little wrap around your car that has their logo on it and you get paid to drive around. Have some specialized equipment that you own. You can start renting those out, like things that they can use for construction. Are you good with dogs? You can always do a dog walking service or a pet sitting service of some sort. Love animals? You can always start a pet grooming service. If you do a good job, you'll have returning customers. TaskRabbit.com has tasks that you can complete to get paid off of. Become a handyman. You got some knowledge and some skills with the housing. Just start selling your services. It's kind of obvious, but I kind of have to mention this one. It's to find a part-time job, something you can do quick. It doesn't have to be forever. Work as a personal shopper. Someone that goes around, knows exactly what the buyer's style is and shops according to their wishes. Clean houses. Pretty self-explanatory. Get some customers, clean their house, get paid for it. Do some house sitting for some extra money. When people go on vacation, they don't want to leave their house empty. They can pay you to watch out for their house. Childcare services, such things like feeding a kid, babysit, or something like that. People are always looking for that nanny and they're willing to pay that money. Car washing services, it's not going to make you much money, but you know what? It's a start and it will make you something better than nothing. Become a caregiver. And while not for everybody, because you're going to have a lot of patients, it's mostly dealing with elderly or handicapped people. Start coaching in sports. You have any kind of specialized skills and any kind of specialized knowledge you can teach, and start coaching. Know any knowledge about cleaning pools? You can set up a pool cleaning services. Those aquarium aren't going to clean themselves. That's where you come in. Start cleaning those aquarium. Sell your professionalized cooking skills. Become a personal chef. Start a clothing alteration services. I'm pretty sure a lot of people like to alter their clothing all the time, shorten their sleeves or something like that. Be an event DJ. Start hosting. Become a local tour guide. Show people around the good areas in your neighborhood. You're not going to believe me when I tell you this, but snuggle services. Yes, people will pay you to snuggle with them. Look it up online. Interpretation or translation services. There's agencies out there already doing that. Hospitals call these agencies to have them translate for patients who doesn't speak English. You think you're a good friend? You got some time to be a good friend to somebody? Rentafriend.com. It will pay you. Get ordained. It's not that hard to get, and they can make pretty good money. You could charge whatever price you want. Get paid to be in focus groups. That's when advertisers set up groups to get to know for your opinion. They pay you for your opinion. Find these focus groups online. Pretty simple, pretty practical. Got a lawnmower? Go mow some lawns. Make some extra money. You got a car you can drive and pick up some vehicles and stuff. Uber, Lyft, and other transportation devices, you can collect them and then you can recharge them, put them back to where they need to be. Become a notary. You might have to apply and you have to take courses and everything, but once you pass, all you have to do is just observe people sign stuff. That's it. And you're the one that legalizes it. Be a mystery shopper. Companies use you to show them what's wrong or what's currently going on in their business that they don't know about, if everything's up to par or not. Are you good with computers or phones? You know how to fix them, troubleshoot stuff? Start charging for it. Prepare people's tax returns. Apparently you don't even need any kind of license or anything like that. And if you use TurboTax, it's free. Start an organizing service. Yeah, some people will pay you to organize their stuff. Manage some vacation rentals. That's when people own vacation homes and they want to rent it out, but they don't have anyone to turn to. That's where you come in. Although not everybody could do it, you can start charging for people for snow removal. Are you a musician? Start being a freelance musician. Show up, start charging to do parties or host events or something like that. Are you good with editing or post-production? You can sell your services on Fiverr.com. Last but not least, learn how to write screenplays. It might not make you money immediately, but once you make something that's really good, you can sell it to publishers.